sure got another Temu package. I'm gonna box it now. I got the shipping label off. I'm gonna try to open it. It's a speaker. Oh my. Look. This is quite. This one looks a lot worse than the other one here. I tested it yesterday. But anyways, let's unbox it. Seems to be sturdy as well. Plastic box is a little cheaper. There's two 4-inch full-range drivers. It's lighter, I think. There's a charging cable in the instruction manual on the box. Get that there. Here's the instruction manual. It has an on-off switch, DC 5-volt port, USB port, micro SD. I don't know why they call it trans flash. Play a pause button. Right. I think on this control panel. What is it? Impera. Oh, it's a different language. Probably mode. Previous volume minus button. Next volume plus. Shows the size. About like 13 inches tall. It shows a photo of the speaker. It says wireless speaker, fantastic quality. Two 4-inch speakers, clean and clear sound. Feel the sonic thunder. What is this? Greatnice speaker, HD sound, wireless technology. What the fuck? USB. Rechargeable battery, micro SD. They call it trans flash as well, and an FM radio. The other side is the same bullshit. So it's using a 5-watt power brick. Uses 5. You can see it's 5 watts. Since the speakers are at least 2.5 watts each. Pretty not typical though. Probably like at least 3. Oh, it's fucking loud. Try it again. I can feel it through the floor. It's a bit roomy. It looks okay. I wonder if the grill is removable. I don't think it is. It definitely isn't. Looks like a fake tweeter here. Here's the control panel. Here's what all I mentioned on the box. Oop. That's okay. Here's what the bottom looks like. Wasn't moving around to try it again. Still sounds okay. So I'm gonna hook it up to my computer via Bluetooth and let you hear what it sounds like. So let's move on. Shows BT speaker. Let's connect that. That's connected. That's a weird ass sound. So I'm gonna play a song through it. Okay, got the song loaded up. The volume's on max volume. So let's try it. You could shuffle through the songs. Oh, it rattles. It's painfully loud, but it doesn't sound as good as the other speaker I tried out. I don't know why. It has cheaper drivers though. That's why. But it's very loud. It's not the worst sounding though. But it just sounds a bit boomy in my opinion. I'm gonna play a normal song for you. This is what it sounds like. I don't think it sounds good at all, actually. It's loud, it just sounds really muddy in my opinion. I'm gonna compare this to the other speaker now. Okay, I got the speaker hooked up. Let's compare it. I think this sounds way better than this. This sounds really boomy in my opinion. If you want a cheap speaker, I recommend this. It looks better. It sounds better. And it feels better. I like the lights better on this speaker. This one sounds particularly worse. Mainly because it uses cheaper drivers. This uses like a phone surround. But the driver is smaller, but I think it sounds better than this one. So, I don't recommend the speaker at all. I'm probably going to upgrade the speakers in here. So, yep, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.